Have you ever wanted a light, buzzer, or relay to turn on after a fixed delay? Today I'll show you a simple delay-on timer circuit using the LM324 IC that anyone can make at home. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delay-on timer circuit using very simple and easily available components. This circuit works perfectly with a 12-volt DC power supply and is very useful for automation projects. The components used in this circuit are LM324 IC, 1 mega ohm variable resistor, 4.7K ohm variable resistor, 100 microfarad 25 volt capacitor, 1N4007 diode, and a 12 volt DC battery or power supply. I am using the LM324 ICT taken from an old PC power supply unit, but you can easily buy a new one from the market. The LM324 is a low power quad operational amplifier IC. It contains 4 op-amps inside one IC package and can work with a single power supply. Because of this feature, it is widely used in timer circuits, comparator circuits, and automation projects. In this circuit, we are using the LM324 as a comparator to create a delay function. Circuit connections. First of all, take the LM324 IC. Connect the 4.7K ohm variable resistor with IC pins 2, 4, and 11. Remember, the middle pin, Viper pin, of this variable resistor must be connected to IC pin 2. Next, take the 1 mega ohm variable resistor and connect it between IC pin 3 and pin 11. Leave the third pin of this variable resistor open. Now connect the 1N4007 diode between IC pin 3 and pin 4, making sure the anode and cathode are in the correct direction. After that, connect the 100 microfarad capacitor with its positive pin to IC pin 3 and the negative pin to IC pin 11. We will take the output from pin 1 of the IC. In my case, I am using a 12-volt LED light here. You can also use buzzer alarms or relays at the output to control any device for any purpose, depending on your requirement. Power supply connection. IC pin 4 is the positive supply pin, and IC pin 11 is the negative supply pin. Connect these pins to a 12-volt DC battery or power supply. Now let's understand how this circuit works. As soon as power is applied, the capacitor starts charging slowly through the variable resistors. This charging process creates a time delay. When the capacitor voltage reaches a certain level, the LM324 comparator changes its output state. Because of this, pin 1 of the IC changes its voltage. In one state, pin 1 gives a positive voltage, and in the other state, it gives a negative voltage. It depends on you whether you want your device to turn on after delay or turn off after delay. Adjusting delay time. You can increase or decrease the delay time by adjusting both variable resistors. If you need a longer delay, you can also increase the capacitor value. For example, using a 220 microfarad capacitor. You can see that as soon as power is applied, the circuit turns on after a short delay. The delay time can be adjusted according to your requirement. This delay-on timer circuit can be used for automatic lighting systems, power-on delay circuits, buzzer alarms, relay-based control systems, and many DIY automation projects. If you like this project, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple electronics projects. If you want a PCB version, longer delay, or relay circuit, comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.